My dear students, competitive chemistry JEE NEET 2026 focus. The number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in lutetium 71, 175 respectively are. Lutetium, the easiest question. Lutetium belongs to lanthanide element. Atomic number cerium 58 to 71 are called lanthanide element. Lutetium atomic number 71. Atomic number 71, that is equal to Z is equal to 71. Z is equal to 71 means number of protons 71. If number of protons 71, number of electrons also 71 because atom is neutral. Protons positive charge, electrons negative charge. So both are same. Proton 71, electron 71. If you want to calculate number of neutrons, what is A? A mass number of protons and neutrons. Protons and neutrons, that is called mass number, minus Z means protons. So 175, this is protons and neutrons. Z number of protons. Protons and neutrons minus proton. What we get? Number of neutrons. A minus Z is equal to number of neutrons. 175 minus 71, that is equal to 104. Here the question is number of protons 71, number of neutrons 104, number of electrons 71 is the right answer. Thank you.